It's my birthday! So normally we travel for my birthday every year, but obviously we're not doing that this year, which is totally fine because I've actually been craving some downtime, so it's going to be pretty low-key. Usually we celebrate for multiple days, so this vlog will probably span a few days, but to be honest, I have no idea what we're doing, so I guess we will see. I'm starting off the morning answering emails and getting all of my priority tasks done. Luckily, I got a ton of my work done beforehand, so I don't have too much to do this morning. And now I am officially out of the office. I've just started working out again, which is really nice, so I'm going to do a 30-minute Pilates workout and some yoga. I just took a shower and now it's time for my skincare routine. I'm always trying out new products, so my routine varies, but today I'm using the Suwasu First Care Activating Serum, SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic Acid, Lancome Absolute Soft Cream, Lancome Absolute Revitalizing Eye Cream, and Yensa Tone Up Primer. Now that my skin is all prepped, it's time for some birthday makeup. This morning I have a masterclass with Charlotte Tilbury. I love all of her makeup and I am so excited to learn more from her. To start my makeup look, I used Clarins Foundation, Doll 10 Concealer, Givenchy Powder, Too Faced Bronzer, and Lancome Eyebrow Gel. They sent a ton of products for this tutorial, including the Queen of Glow Eyeshadow Palette, Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes Mascara, Lip Cheat in Love Trap, lipstick in Viva La Vergara, and blush in Ecstasy. I finished it off with the setting spray and my Dior highlighter. Here's the close-up of the finished look. It's lunchtime and I'm bringing out my fanciest dishware for the occasion. I made myself a vegan pizza, but it does have pepperoni, so I guess it's not fully vegan. I am also drinking my favorite pink lemonade, and I am wearing my fanciest ball gown because why not? And then this happened. Our cabinet door just kind of fell off. Oh my gosh. So I haven't had a chance to shoot anything for my birthday post, so I'm doing that right now. I don't know why I decided to do it today, but I am. I just set up my pink backdrop and I'm shooting myself. I'm also really tired, so I'm probably going to take a nap after this. We also decided to shoot some looks for the blog since I already had my makeup done, and here are a few sneak peeks. We just got home and my mom and husband surprised me with the cutest and most delicious vegan cake. We also ordered barbecue from my favorite place, and I got a lettuce wrapped burger because I can't have bread. Good morning! It's Friday, and I've got some work to do this morning, but I'm really looking forward to relaxing later today. I need to post on Instagram, so I'm editing the photos that I took of myself yesterday. I'm also attending a conference this morning, so I've got both computers out right now. I am the queen of multitasking. I'm always doing a million things at once. Also, I get a lot of questions about who takes my photos. My husband shoots all of the outdoor outfit photos, and I do anything that is indoors, including the flat lays, lifestyle shots, or shots like this where I'm just shooting myself. And here are a few of the finished images, and now it's time to post on Instagram. Now that I'm done with my work, I need to figure out this situation. I feel like my closet room is always getting messy, and I'm going through my clothes right now, so I have a bag for consignment, and I also have a lot of PR that I need to organize. I'll show you a quick peek at the PR I just got before I put them away. I always share these in my Friday unboxings on Instagram stories, so make sure you're following me there at LIZZIEINLACE so that you can check it out. But I'm not going to do it today because I am going to relax. Glow Recipe sent me some goodies. I am obsessed with their watermelon collection. It's amazing. And I just got these butterfly clips in from a small business called Rose and Clay, and they are the cutest things. They actually match my pastel tie-dye bag from House of Want, and House of Want also sent me this cute little quilted white one. Franco Sarto sent 2 amazing pairs of heels. I got them in white and lilac, and they are just so comfortable and beautiful. I also got these really cute nude sneakers from Another Soul. I have a white pair and they are seriously the most comfortable things. Derma E sent me so many things. Oh my gosh, I haven't even been able to go through this, but there's like sunscreen and skincare products, and all of their stuff is great. I got some goodies from Pop Beauty and some blush sticks from Pixie Beauty. I've already tried these and they are so good. And Too Faced sent some lip glosses. I've tried these as well. They are really, really amazing. And I got a really fun package from Wander Beauty. I haven't tried anything from them, so I'm excited. And then also some skincare products from Tula. More Derma E, and a headband from Etika, along with some pretty necklaces. I also got some new pretties from Sequin Jewelry. I got this beautiful lucky feather necklace and this charm bracelet. I also got items from Caudalie Agency, Parfums de Marly, and this just came from Charlotte Tilbury. These are items from their Look of Love collection, and I have not tried any of them yet, so I am very excited. They included their lip and blush tint, some lipsticks, and their palette. I think it's like a face palette, so it has pretty much everything that you need for your face. If you guys want to see a tutorial or swatches, just let me know in a comment below. Oh, and I forgot to show you the stuff that I got with my mom last weekend. She took me antique shopping. I swear we don't go as much as it looks like. But anyways, I found this really pretty pink purse. So I think that this is from the 1950s or 60s, and this was $25. You guys requested that I added prices into my last one, so I thought I would do it for this one. And then I also got this beautiful compact. I think it's probably from the 1940s or 50s just by looking at it, and it's from a brand called Elgin America. And it actually still has the original powder and puff underneath. That was $25. These are a really fun pair of pink floral clip-on earrings. My ears are not pierced, just in case you're wondering. These are from a brand called Coro, and I love the color so much. They're so beautiful, and they were really affordable. I think they were like $12 or $11 on sale, and I want to say that these are 1950s, but they definitely give me a 60s vibe. And then I also got these cameo clip-on earrings, and they're in a dark navy blue, and I think they are the most beautiful earrings. They're so gorgeous. They're from a brand called Hobby or Hobe. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, and they were also like $11 or $12 on sale, and I think they're probably from the 1950s. And then I bought these for myself. These are vintage Dior earrings, and I'm unsure of the time period. I think they might be anywhere between the 1960s to the 1990s. And my mom also gave me some really special family heirlooms, some of her magazines, and some of my great-grandmother's handkerchiefs. Much better. Now it's time to relax and take a bubble bath. Right now I'm using Kai for the bubbles. I'm using both lemon and lavender bath salts because it's a special occasion, so why not? And for my biggest bubble bath secret, a cap full of extra virgin olive oil. I also have one more bath bomb left, so I'm gonna use it. And I also love to relax with this cold eye mask. Okay, so I just got another package from Charlotte Tilbury, and seriously, you guys, I am so excited about this. They included the magic cream and the serum, both of which are amazing, along with a ton of items from their Pillow Talk collection, and I think I might do a tutorial, so leave a comment and let me know if that is something that you would like to see. It's Saturday, and this is what I'm wearing today. It's one of my favorite dresses ever. We were planning to go to LA, but decided to stay in town instead, so we are heading downtown. We are eating at one of my favorite little diners. Their food is delicious. Diners, drive-ins, and dives actually came here a few years ago. Now we're just antiquing and window shopping. We didn't really find anything that we couldn't live without, and there's not really a lot to do in the town that I live in, but it's always fun to get out of the house. It's Monday. I took yesterday off, so I didn't film anything, and I just got back from lunch with family that came to visit from out of state. Now I'm going to do a bit of gardening because I just got some new plants for my pots. Also, it's supposed to be 114 this week, so I moved a ton of my succulents this morning. And there she is! She's looking fabulous! And these are so pretty. Oh my gosh. I also planted some of my little baby succulents. I did the same for this one, and now they are huge. It's crazy how fast they grew. And the patio set is pretty dusty, so I think I'm going to rinse that off and call it a day. Just kidding. So my birthday gift from my husband just arrived after being lost. And it is the cutest little jewelry box from Kate Spade. I love the mint green color and the flower. It's so cute. It's just the most adorable thing ever. Okay, well, I think I'm going to end it right here. I know this wasn't the most eventful birthday vlog, but I hope you still enjoyed it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye!